my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I look very beige today, very light. It's hot when I tell you, and I'm sweating and my face is shiny for like the 100th time. You know what? Let me just try to. I'm using baby powder at this point because when I tell you it's hot, it is hot. You see the cheeks. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. But it is hot up in here. And I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not too shiny. What do we think? Much better. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome indeed. I was minding my business the other day, just flipping through social media as we do. And we had Adidas talking about how much they were going to lose because they had to break ties with Kanye. And I didn't think anything about it. And then I saw in the picture, you could swipe left. And I saw Beyonce's face there. And I was like, what does Beyonce have to do with this? Because I didn't read the print. And there it was, talking about Ivy Park sales are down. And I was like, oh wow, really? I did not know. So I said to myself, you know what? Let's try and unpack this. Because when push comes to shove, Beyonce is a singer, she's a songwriter, she's a vocalist. I know she's got her own company gears towards music and management. It has never really geared towards fashion. First and foremost, the way I look at it, Adidas, they really think that these artists are magicians, that they just whip out all of these numbers and sales and it's going to be fabulous. Absolutely not. Beyonce really is geared towards her music, musically, I mean, Renaissance, everything. I love her music. I love her branding, but I have never deeply, and Beehive, please don't come for me. I'm just calling it like it is because I love me some B. I have never really seen B as in fashion related. I don't see her wearing Ivy Park. Let's call it that. And I say that because when Kanye was with Yeezy, oh my God, he had the Kardashians in those clear heels to boot. And I call it like it is. I remember when Black China joined the crew and she was Rob's partner. She was wearing those clear heels. She was wearing those clear heels. He made sure that that brand had foot traffic on every red carpet. Needless to say, Beyonce is a mother of three, with twins included. Where are you going to see her like that? All I'm just saying is that it would have helped with sales if she wore more of it. And I've also said it. I don't know how it's going to be, but I intend to be on this earth for 90 plus years. Adidas, hire me now while I'm cheap. Hire me now, let me give you a collection. I will give you a collection. I'm from fashion. I understand fashion. I studied business in university. For those of you that don't know, yes, I'm a graduate. I also dealt with sales and I was also a model. So guess what? You've got sales, so I get it. You've got business sense. You've got fashion films. You can give them a collection. They just don't know it. You know why? Because Beyonce has 300 million followers on Instagram. I have 100K and that's not going to cut it for Adidas because they say, you know what, numbers sells. Well, as you can evidently see, that's not altogether the case. I feel that there's too much pressure on Beyonce for you to be thinking that she could make in those kind of crazy numbers, one. On top of which, I think there should be room. There should be room for us to evolve and move around the Ivy Park brand. Where is the Ivy Park store? Where can you really just buy everything Ivy Park? The past collections, the collections that are coming kind of thing. We don't even have that. Online, we don't have it. You know what? Let me just double check. Let me just double check because I haven't seen it. Let me see. Ivy Park. No. I want accounts. Oh, where Ivy Park? My bad. They do. Ooh. And it's 1.2 million. Why have I not seen this before? Yes, it's here though. It is here. Then it's very quiet. Then they're not pushing it as much as they should push it. Why am I just seeing this? I don't know, because I've loved her collections. I've loved her collections with Adidas. There are a couple of pieces that I really, really wanted in the past collections, but for whatever reason, it's not translating. It is not translating. And so I was shocked. And guess what? Beyonce likes to be paid those 20s. I'm telling you, she gets 24 million for a personal concert, private concert. She gets 20 million per year with Adidas. The contract is ending 2023, and Adidas might try to move the contract around or end it. But if you end it with Beyonce, who are you going to pick up to continue your fabulous collaborations? Because you need somebody up in there. I would strongly advise to say keep Beyonce there, but you know, loosen the contract a bit, because I think she has creative control. And she had House of Derry on before. I don't think she has that anymore. And then she has Ivy Park. But I think that there needs to be some things put in place. And one of them, as far as I'm concerned, to really boost sales, is for her to wear the brand. Is for Jay-Z to wear the brand. For the children to wear the brand. For Beyonce's mother, sister to wear the brand. They have to continue pushing it and wearing it out there. That would help. On top of which, I think that it's a tad expensive. But then again, you know what? Yeezy too was expensive and nobody cared. They were just flying off the shelves. Nobody is good at everything. Beyonce, as you stand right here, she has 32 Grammys. She has the most Grammys ever. She might not have Album of the Year, but she's got the most Grammys. A black American woman, I salute her. That is fabulous. We're not good at everything. I'm not good in the corporate world. Never have. Never have. Don't trust me with your stuff in corporate. But it comes to entertainment, showbiz, personality, I'm all over it. I'm creative. I'm artistic. That is what I am. Beyonce's music. Beyonce is a musical genius as far as I'm concerned. That's the way I look at it. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's go into it and hear what the Wall Street Journal has to say. Yeah, because they're the ones that called it. Beyonce's clothing line with Adidas suffers from weak sales. Revenue from the singer's Ivy Park brand fell more than 50% last year, documents show. OMG. Beyonce's fans are clamoring for tickets to her world tour, but the music superstar is having a harder time finding buyers for her line of inclusive streetwear. Beyonce's fashion partnership with Adidas, AD, has produced weak sales of Ivy Park clothing brand, according to documents, and people familiar with the matter, leaving a roughly 200 million hole in the company's annual projections. 200 million. Oh wow, ain't that something? Sales of Ivy Park tumbled by more than 50% to about 40 million in 2002 alone, coming in below internal Adidas projections for 250 million in sales that year. Documents reviewed by the Wall Street Journal show. The documents show Ivy Park has been losing money for Adidas, and Beyonce gets about 20 million in annual compensation. The contract between the pop star, whose full name is Beyonce Knowles Carter. No, it's not her full name. Her full name is Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter. Fumi. I'm a fan. Yep, her name is Giselle. For whatever reason, I know that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but she's Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter. And the German sneaker giant is set to end after 2023. Why do I know these things? And Adidas executives have discussed either ending or revamping the arrangement, the people said. Adidas said the Ivy Park partnership is strong and successful and declined to discuss its financial performance. We continue to be inspired by our collective vision and are proud of the work we have created together, the company said. Beyonce's spokesman didn't respond to requests for comment. Beyonce is busy. She doesn't have time for all of this. So that's what we got, my darlings. I love me some Beyonce, but I also believe, really, as a model who loves fashion, who lives for fashion, who has a business degree, who has been on the shop floor too many a time in sales. Those were my jobs that I was doing, because as a struggling actor, what could I do? I could do retail. I see how it travels all the way from that corporate office full of ideas, where Beyonce flew in on a private jet just for the meeting, and she has her collaborators with her, and she has a couple of ingenues giving her ideas, how they come up with the collection, and it is mass produced, and then it is shipped down all the way onto the high street for us, the sales staff, to come and start putting it in bags, cha-ching, and giving it to customers. I'm telling you right here and now, revamp the whole shebang, and she has to wear the collection. She has to wear the brand. She has to come out there and be talking about, get the collaboration process. Let's see what's happening behind the scenes. Let's see a day in your life, Beyonce. You see, let me tell you something, and this is real tea. The more and more I do this as an influencer, as a YouTuber, as a collaborator that I've done with brands, yes, my darling, coming out with her own brand, I realize celebrities are all YouTuber influencers of the like. We just have different budgets. I promise you, because you collab, and I promise you I'll give you a collection, and you're supposed to sell it, and every day, Beyonce, you know what, you got to hit your target. We used to have meetings like that. Fumi, you did not hit your target this month. I said, oh, wait a minute, let me do A, B, and C. That's what this is all about. And I remember when I was at YSL, I said this is an old way of working. We have to move faster. We have to reach more people and show the glamour of Saint Laurent. Yes, you just go and ask sales staff in Sufferies, because they've moved from Ula, what was the store I worked at? Yes, House of Fraser closed down, and so they all went to Sufferies. Ask them, what was the Fumi effect? They lived for it. Ask them, what was the Fumi effect? I'll tell you right now. One day, again, my manager said, Fumi, we're not hitting sales. We have to claw back this, that, and the other. You know, very old school, with her book and with her book and everything. Fumi, we have to claw back. We have to meet the sales. Da 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 da. And I was a manager. I got fired in the end, but I was a manager, and I kept on voicing out, we have to move forward. This right here doesn't make sense. Instagram is there. Social media is there. Let's move forward with social media. Let's throw it out there. Let's have an event. Let's have cookies. Let's have drinks. Bring Saint Laurent. Bring his smoking jacket. Bring the supermodels of that time. Throw it up there, and let us start to put on makeup on the customers. Let us ask them what their colors are, and we will sell. We will sell, because people want to buy into. Who is this now? Hello, my darling. What's up, sunshine?
I sent you a voice note. I found someone for you, for the photographer and the videographer.
Okay, my darling. You know what? I'm filming right now, sunshine. Let me finish, and I will get back to you. Yes.
When you finish.
Opemi, what about my other wig? I'm waiting.
Yes, Leah is trying to get something together. Are you coming on Monday? No one is in on Monday, so it's going to be only me, you, and Bookie.
I'll be there with Christina. I'll let Christina know. What time? 12?
Should we say 1:30?
Okay, will there be food? Will there be lunch?
Yes, I can get. Yeah, have you forgotten that Brick Lane is a lunch place?
Bring the food. Let us eat. Okay, my darling. I love you. Bye. I live for it. It is what it is, my darlings. So, like I was saying, what was I saying? Yes, we sold out. We sold out, and they came back to me. The headquarters came back, because L'Oreal owns Saint Laurent, and they said, oh my God, and they called it the Fumi effect. And I said, guys, we have to change with the times. You have all of this opportunity here. We cannot do it the old way. Needless to say, cut the long story short, that's how I feel about my queen Beyonce, Queenette, because she's younger than me. You understand? That's how I feel about her. Girlfriend is fabulous, but you have to change it up. And Adidas, you have to change it up too. And while you are busy, if anybody is watching, because you never know, hire me. Let me give you a collection. Oh my God. Oh my God, you don't even know. And while we are on the subject of this, I want all brands, go to micro influencers. Don't go only to big influencers. Oh, they've got the numbers, this, that, and the other. Sometimes you find such creative in the smaller YouTubers, in the smaller brands. Because I was once a small brand. Because I once had what, 15,000, no, 10,000 here on YouTube, and I was grateful and I was happy. I haven't changed since I had 10,000. I have not. The talent is there, but the passion and the work is still there. So Adidas, do go and look for younger talent. While we're on the subject, salute, because guess what? Pharrell Williams is now the creative director for Louis Vuitton Men. Congratulations. I love him. That cat is stylish. And he will come up in there with no drama. He's the father of triplets. Would you believe it? Yes. And his wife is cute. So we're looking at collections for Ula and for Adrian. I'm all for it. All right, my darlings. Always show love. Always give love. Always be secure in who you are. And when you give love, you will forever be surrounded by love. Don't ever think anybody can take away your shine, because the star in you is God-given. And if he gives you that, even you can take it away. Believe in you. Do the work. It won't kill you. I promise. It will bring you and take you on a journey that you have, that you cannot even dream of. And that is where I am. I'm living my dream. Have I gotten to my destiny? No. But my destination has brought you to me. And I'm making friends with you. And I talk with you in my DMs. And I'm grateful for the opportunities that it gives me. All of my love, my darlings. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah. I'm not going to turn around. You know why? Because the back isn't buttoned up. I'm rushing. Mommy duties. All of my love. Mwah. Ula.